Hello, Wafi.
Yes.
What are you doing there?
I'm reading book talk about education.
Do you like that?
Yes, I like that because uh, this book talk about education and make my brain full of knowledge.
No, I don't like that. Of explanation about education because so bored, man.
What? Why are you what? Why are you don't like book of education? It is good for you. Uh, can you think how much tuition in this school and your parents pay for your study in here?
You're right, Wafi. I must study because my parents pay me in here for I study.
Your lives. So take this book and read it.
Okay, thank you, Wafi.
Bye.